still on numbers, that is number system, round up and down, approximations. So today we will be dealing with nearest 10, 100,000 units, whole numbers and tenth. Now if you are dealing with nearest 10, whole numbers, unit and hundreds, you have to consider this, that is A, B, C, D, E and F. You have the decimal point here. Now the first number before the decimal point, that is C, is considered as unit digit. B is considered as 10 digit and A is considered as 100 digit. Now after the decimal point also you have D, that is considered as what? 10th digit with TH. This is considered as 100th unit and this is considered as 1000 unit. Now if this is a number, let's say 5 will be unit 5. This is, let's say this is 6, unit 6, and this is 7, let's say unit 7. Now from there we have some samples, that is 10. For 10, 100 and 1000, we consider the numbers before the decimal point, that is these numbers. If you are dealing with 10, 100 and 1000, we consider the numbers before the decimal point, that is these numbers. Now for 10th, we are looking for 10th now. 10, it has only 1 0. Now we want 10th digit here. The first number before the decimal point is what? Is unit. This is 10. We already have our 10th digit. But before this number, after this number, that is 5, the 10th digit, the number we have there is 7. It is greater than 4. We said if it is greater than 4, we round up. When it is less than 4, we round down. We said it in our previous samples, the time we were dealing with significant figures and decimal places in the previous video, that when you have a number before this number which is exactly 5 or greater than 5, you round up. But when it is less than down, it is less than 4, that is 4 below, you round down. So this is 7, it is greater than 5. So we have to round up. That is, this will be here, the answer will be 1 0. This is the 10th digit. 1 0. Sorry. This is 5 digit. We round up. This will be 1 6 0. This is 1 6 0. 1 6 0. You round up here will be 6. 1 6 0. So 100 digit, it has 2 zeros. After it, before the place value. Sorry, after the place value, it has 2 zeros after the place value. That is these numbers. If you are to take these numbers to nearest 100, this is unit 10, this is 100 now. This number is exactly 5. We said it here, if it is less than 5, you round down. But if it is exactly 5 or greater than 5, you round up. So here, the answer here will be 2 0 0. This is 5. If you add 1 to this one, it will be 2 0 0. So this is nearest 100. This is 100. This is 100, this one is 10. So from there also we have 1000. From there we have 1000. It has 4 zeros after the decimal place or place value. That is this number. If you are to take these numbers to nearest 100, we have 8 6 7 4. This is the unit digit always. The 10 digit, 100 digit, and we have 1000 digit now. After this 1000 digit, the number we have there is 6. It is greater than 5, so we have to add. We have to round up. So this will be 9, 9. The rest will be 0, 0, 0. Because 1000 digit, it has how many zeros? It has 3 zeros. So this will be 9,000. Example. Correct the numbers. That is 4675.4973. Nearest 100, 1000, 110 whole numbers. Now, first of all, if you are to find this one, 2, nearest whole number, that is Roman figure 1. If you are to correct this number, that is 4675.4973. Nearest 1000, this is unit 10, 100, 1000. So this 6, it is greater than 5. The number before the 1000, it is greater than 5. So you add 1 to this 1000 digit, it will be what? 5. The rest will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Because 1000 has how many zeros? It has 3 zeros. So the rest will be 0, 0. So Roman figure 2. If they ask you to round it to 100 digits, the same number, 100 digits, this number, that is 100 digits. So that is 4675.4973 to 100 digits. So this is the unit digit, the 10 digit, you have 100 digit now. The number here is what? Is 7. It is greater than 5. We add 1 to this 6. That will be 4700. 4700. 100 has how many zeros? 2 zeros. This is 4700. So Roman figure 4. Roman figure 3. To what? 10. The same number. That is 4675.4970 to 10. So this is unit, this is 10. This is exactly 5. Still, we have to round up, but because it is greater than 4. So this is 46. If you add 1 to this 7, it will be 80. So 10 has only 1 0. So this is already in nearest 10. That is the answer. Roman figure 4. We have the same number, that is 4675.4972. So this number to what? To nearest whole number or whole number. The number here, you look at the number after the decimal point now. If we are talking about the whole number, you look at the number after the decimal point. The number after the decimal point is 4. It is less than 5. So therefore, we have to round up. So therefore, the whole number for this number given here will be, the nearest whole number will be 4675. Because this 4 is less than 5. So we have to round down. If it is exactly 5, it means here we have to add 1 to this 5. Therefore, this number will become 4676. But since it is less than 5, since it is 4, we have to round down. So here the answer will be 4675. And from there, we will be dealing with these ones. That is the 10th, 100th, and 1000 with TH. When you are dealing with 10th, 100th, and 1000s, we consider the numbers after the decimal point. You consider the numbers after the decimal point. So example is given, correct the number, that is 4676.49632. Nearest 1000, 100, and 10. Now first of all, when you are taking these numbers to nearest 1000, that is Roman figure 1, we have 4676.4963. To nearest thousands. In the first sample, I told you that the first number after the decimal point is 10th with TH. The next one is 100 with TH. The third one will be 1000 with TH. So now, we have 10th, 100, and 1000. And they ask us to take this to what? To 1000 digit. That is the 1000 digit. So this is the 1000 digit. The next number after this 1000 digit is 3. It is less than 5. So therefore, we have to round up. Therefore, the final answer for this one will become 4676.496. This is the 1000 digit. So Roman figure 2 to what 100 digit, the same number, that is 4676.4963. To what? 200 digits. So this is 10th, 100 with TH. So therefore the next number is what? Is 6. We have to take 1 from it and add it to this 9 because why? It is greater than 5. So when you take 1 from this and add it to this one, this will become 10. Then you cannot write the whole of this figure. You cannot write this whole figure. Therefore, you have to take 1 and add it to this 4. This will become 5 and this will become 0. This also will become 0. So therefore, the final answer for this one will become 4676.500. This is in digit 100 with TH. So the next number, Roman figure 3, is what? Is 10. The same number 4676.4963. The same number to 10th with TH. This is 10th. The next number is 9. It is greater than 5. We have to take 1 from it and add it to this one. Then this 9 will become 0 now. And this one also, this 9 will become 0. So therefore, the final answer for this one will be 4676. This will become 5. then the 9 will become 0. So that is the 10th digit. So another sample is given. Correct 1598.47622, the nearest Roman figure 1 to the nearest whole number. This number to nearest whole number, that is 1598.4762. To nearest whole number. To nearest whole number, you consider the first digit after the decimal point. The first digit after this decimal point is less than 5. It is 4. It means it is less than 5. So therefore, we have to round down. Then the final answer for this one, in nearest whole number, will become 1598. In nearest whole number. If here was 5, let's say here was 5, then we have to take 1 from that 5 and add it to this 8. Therefore, this will become 1599 in nearest whole number. But since it is less than 5, it means we have to round down. That is the final answer for this one. Roman figure 1 in nearest whole number. Roman figure 2, we have to what? To nearest 100. The same number, that is 598.4762. 598.4762 to nearest 100 with what? Without TH. Without TH. So it means this will be unit digit, 10 digit and 100 digit. So therefore, we have to, this is the 100 digit. And after the 100 digit here is what? Is 9. It is greater than 5. We have to take 1 from this 9 and add it to this 5. Therefore, this will become 1600, nearest 100. 1600. That will be the final answer for this. Roman figure 3. We have the same number, that is 1598.4762. To what? To nearest 10. To nearest 10. This is unit digit. This is 10. That is 9. So now the next number, the number after this is what? Is 8. So we have to take 1 and add it to this one. When you take 1 from this and add it to this one, this 9 will become 10. So now you cannot write the whole of this 10 digit. Always, if you have this 10 digit here, you're gonna write the whole of 10 digit. Then you have to take 1, add it to this 5. So this will become 16. Then this 9 will become 0. So in 10 digit, this will be your final answer. In 10 digit, because 10 digit always have only 1 0. So this will become the 10 digit. So Roman figure 4. Roman figure 4 to what? To 1000. 1000 without TH. The same number. 1598.4762 to nearest 1000. This is the unit digit. 10, 100, and 1000. Then after this 1000 digit, we have the number 5. And we said if it is exactly 5, the number after the digit, if it is exactly 5 or greater than 5, we round up. But when it is less than 5, we round down. So therefore, the number here is 5. We have to take 1, add it to this one. So this will be 2000. So this is 2000. This is the 1000 digit. This is the final answer for this. Roman figure 5 to what? To nearest 100 with TH. So this is the 10th digit, the 100 digit. So therefore, the next number after the 100 digit is what? Is 6. It is greater than 5. So we have to take 1 from it and add it to this one. This will be 8 now. So therefore, the final answer for Roman figure 4 will be 1598 point. This will be 4. Then this 7, instead of 7 now, because we take 1 from this 6, add it to this 7. Therefore, this 7, instead of 7 now, it will become 8. This is the final answer for Roman figure 4. So that's the end of the lesson. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos. And don't also forget to put your wonderful comments. If you have any question to ask, you can put them in the comment. And thank you all for listening and watching.